If you're tired of turning on your faucet with greasy or dirty hands, a touchless kitchen faucet solves that problem completely. In this video, we're covering 5 of the best options available right now. 1. Delta Lenta Touchless. The Delta Lenta stands out because it gives you 3 ways to control water. Touchless sensor, touch anywhere on the body, or the manual handle. So you're never locked into one method. The sensor uses capacitive technology rather than standard infrared. In practical terms, this means the faucet recognizes genuine human proximity more accurately, reducing the frustrating false triggers you get with cheaper sensors. The shield spray feature concentrates water into a targeted stream inside a protective shield of rinse water. This lets you scrub off stuck-on food without spraying mess across your countertop. And Delta's Diamond Seal technology uses a ceramic disc valve rated to last twice the industry standard. That translates to fewer drips and less maintenance over the years. The faucet is also NSF/A NSI 61 certified, confirming the internal components meet drinking water safety standards. This is the most practical all-round choice for a busy family kitchen. 2. Moen Arbor MotionSense Wave. The Moen Arbor MotionSense Wave is built for homeowners who want a faucet that performs consistently over years of heavy daily use. The wave sensor sits at the top of the faucet. A single wave of your hand activates and deactivates the flow, useful when your hands are full and you need precise control without reaching for a handle. Moen's Power Clean Spray technology delivers 50% more spray pressure than comparable Moen pull-down models without it. And for rinsing vegetables, clearing the sink, or washing stubborn residue off pots, that extra pressure makes a measurable difference. The Duralock Quick Connect system simplifies under-sink installation significantly. Most homeowners complete the installation without a plumber. Moen backs this faucet with a lifetime limited warranty, and it meets Federal Safe Drinking Water Act standards. If you want a faucet from one of the most trusted plumbing brands in North America and you're willing to invest accordingly, this is the pick. 3. KRAUS Oletto Touchless. The KRAUS Oletto delivers a premium look and reliable sensor performance at a price that sits well below the Delta and Moen options. The key design difference here is the side-mounted sensor placement. On most touchless faucets, the sensor faces forward from the spout. And KRAUS positions it on the side, which reduces accidental activations when you're simply working near the sink rather than actively using it. Reach technology extends the faucet's coverage across a wider arc of your sink basin. This is particularly useful in larger sinks where a standard pull-down hose doesn't reach every corner without straining. The faucet includes a 3-minute auto shutoff that cuts water flow if the sensor detects no further activity. For households where a faucet is accidentally left running, this is a practical water-saving feature. Everything you need for installation comes in the box, including pre-attached water lines, control box, and 4 AA batteries. For homeowners who want KRAUS build quality without the premium price tag of Delta or Moen, this is the smart middle ground choice. 4. OWOFAN Touchless. The OWOFAN's most practical feature is its color-changing LED temperature indicator. The light displays blue for cold water and shifts to red as the water heats up. This gives an immediate visual warning before anyone puts their hands under the stream. For households with young children or elderly family members who may not reliably test water temperature before contact, this is a genuinely useful safety feature rather than a cosmetic one. The faucet body is constructed from SUS 304 stainless steel with a lead-free ceramic valve cartridge independently tested to over 500,000 on-off cycles. The 23.6-inch retractable hose provides enough reach to clean the full sink basin without effort. OWOFAN backs this faucet with a 5-year warranty, longer than most competitors at this price point, which reflects the manufacturer's confidence in the build quality. If you have children in the home, care for an elderly parent, or simply want a visual temperature reminder before use, this faucet addresses that specific need well. 5. FORIOUS Touchless. The FORIOUS proves that hands-free convenience doesn't require a large investment. This faucet carries NSF/A NSI 61 certification and meets lead-free standards, the same water safety benchmarks held by the more expensive options on this list. At a budget price, that certification matters and is not something every budget faucet can claim. The flow rate sits at 1.8 gallons per minute with an integrated aerator. Compared to a standard 2.2 gallons per minute faucet, this reduces water consumption by roughly 20% per use. Over a full year of daily kitchen use, that adds up on your water bill. 3 spray modes: stream, spray, and pause cover the full range of kitchen tasks from filling pots to rinsing produce. The faucet is compatible with both 1-hole and 3-hole sink configurations, so it fits most standard kitchen setups without adapter hardware. Installation is designed to complete in under 15 minutes without professional help. If your budget is limited but you still want a certified, reliable touchless faucet, this is the most sensible choice at the lower end of the market. You'll find the purchase link for this product in the description below.